Hello and a very warm welcome to Bharata First. I'm Frank Rausen Pereira. This is FRP Explains. On Sundays, I usually don't make these FRP Explains videos and take a break. But today, something that I saw on social media made me jump out of my seat and I said I must talk about it. Why? Have a look at this video.
कौन सा टेस्ट कराने गए थे? अरे सर वो दादी का दे गया था नहीं निकलते हैं वैसे हम लोग घर में रहा इसीलिए नहीं ये भगवान टेस्ट करा के गया था आपके सामने।
Shocking, isn't it? This is the district collector of Surajpur in Chhattisgarh, Mr. Sharma. Thankfully, the Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh has taken cognizance of the matter because it has become viral on social media and he has suspended the district collector and appointed someone else in his place. I mean, what's happening to this country? We are all stressed. The reason what the district collector gave for his behavior was that he was under a lot of stress. He has recovered from COVID. His parents are suffering from COVID and that's why he was under a lot of stress. So when this young man, the youth of our country, the future of our country decided to go out, he said he was overspeeding, he was breaking the lockdown rules and hence he behaved with him in such a manner. Now the boy has come out and given an explanation stating that he had gone to the hospital. First he said he had gone for vaccination, then he said his grandmother was ill and hence went to the hospital. Whatever the reason is, we won't get into that. Maybe he was wrong. But does he deserve this kind of behavior? What gives the right to the district collector to go and slap this boy and then ask the police personnel who are there to beat him? And look at the police personnel as well who are there. Shame on them too. Immediately they start beating him. Look at what he's done to his phone. Sorry, this cannot happen in India. It should not be happening in India. And this one person, and of course the infamous incident that took place in Tripura, where the DM there decided to gate crash weddings and did his own thing and became a law unto himself. For those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, have a look at this video.
Same also. Same also. This lady also. 11:30 में शादी का लग्न है सर. This is all nonsense. Okay. This is all nonsense you are talking about. Arrest this guy. Arrest this guy also. Count and tell me. This is my command as a district magistrate. Count.
So this was the Tripura DM a few weeks ago where he decided to go and barge into weddings because they were breaking COVID-19 protocols, or so he said, and behaved in such an unruly manner. That DM also was suspended. This current Chhattisgarh DM from Surajpur also has been suspended, which is a good thing. Now coming back to the issue at hand. Not everybody is like this. Not all IAS officers like this. Not all bureaucrats or police personnel are like this. But these few black sheep send out a very wrong message, and it gives us a sense that high-headedness is a very common thing as far as our bureaucracy is concerned. I hold a few mock interviews for a couple of places, and then I come across aspirants who want to get into the civil services. And some of them, when I ask them, why is it that you want to become an IAS officer? They immediately say power. Please do not have this mindset in your head. You are not getting into the civil services for power. That may be the case, but let us get out of this mold. We are getting into the civil services to serve the nation. The nation needs you to lead from the front, not to see your power. So let us keep power aside. It's my humble request to so many of my dear UPSC aspirants who are watching us on Bharata First and who are here and who have supported me over the years. My humble request to you is, please don't turn out to be like this. Go with the mindset of serving the nation. There are many officers who are indeed doing their job and serving the nation. Let us applaud them for the fantastic work that they have done, and let us condemn these kind of acts as well, because this is not an India that we want to see. This is not the Bharata that we want to build. We want to build a better Bharata, a Bharata where tolerance is at the center of it all, and we do not see acts of power and high-headedness and high-handedness like this. It's my humble request to you all. That's it on this edition of FRP Explains. Let's just be better human beings and let's just be better Bharatiyas. If you like the content, please like the video, subscribe, hit the bell icon. For those of you who would like to come forward and make a contribution, you may do so by using our UPI IDs. A small contribution that you make will go a long way in us bringing you this content. That's it from me. See you again next time.